Hello, I'm Greg Lambrecht, founder and inventor of Coravin. Today I'll cover the 4 Coravin Timeless needles to help you select the best option for pouring different wines by the glass. As a refresher, Coravin Timeless needles are specially engineered to pierce through natural or composite cork and are not compatible with synthetic cork. All Coravin Timeless needles are made of stainless steel with a non-stick coating, and with proper use can be used for up to 500 pours before needing to be replaced. You'll know when it's time for a replacement when you start to feel increased resistance as a needle moves through the cork. Every Coravin Timeless system comes with a standard needle, but the other options include the premium, vintage, and fast pour needles. Each needle can be used with a Coravin screw cap adapter to allow you to pour from screw-capped wines by the glass and keep remaining wine fresh for up to 6 months. Each needle is identifiable by a color ring on the needle hub. Let's walk through each of the options. Let's start with the standard needle. The standard needle comes with all Coravin Timeless wine by the glass systems and can be easily identified by a black band under the needle hub. Engineered for smooth, reliable access to most bottles sealed with natural cork, it delivers a clean, consistent pour every time. The premium needle, which can be identified by a gold band around the needle hub, provides a cleaner pour than the original standard needle due to its design, which has 252 laser-drilled holes at the needle tip. This needle is best for wines with heavy sediments or older vintages. It delivers a smoother, cleaner pour by filtering cork and sediment. The vintage needle is the thinnest in our Timeless collection. It's specifically made for older vintage bottles. Its ultra-fine profile allows for gentle insertion through potentially fragile corks, helping preserve the integrity of delicate corks while still allowing you to enjoy your wine without removing the cork. The vintage needle has a silver band around the needle hub. It's particularly important with older bottles to check the integrity of the cork by pressing down on the cork with your thumb. If the cork moves, we recommend using the pivot system. The fast pour needle has a red ring around the needle hub. It's designed for the trade to address the need of pouring with speed in the restaurant environment. The fast pour needle allows you to pour wine 20% faster than with the standard needle. All Coravin Timeless needles are available individually at coravin.com, as well as in a 3-needle kit featuring the standard, vintage, and fast pour needles. Enjoy!